I'm scared to lose myself or to go.
Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video, we are going to do a full face of natural organic Ayurvedic makeup. So I really wanted to do this video for a really long time, but it was difficult to procure. First of all, to find such brands, then buy stuff and then to get them delivered because delivery is taking a long time. So I have been planning and ordering products for this particular video for almost I think a month now. So I have right now a full face of makeup next to me. So first thing first, I have just washed my face with water. It's pretty hot here in Delhi and I just really don't want to use anything too heavy on my face. So I'm starting with a very lightweight serum. So I'm starting with Daily Brightening Concentrate from Fiducia Botanicals. It is an all-natural brand. And this particular product is really amazing. I've been using it for almost 3 months now. This is a very lightweight, hydrating, gel-based concentrate. It is made with soothing rose hydrosol, aloe vera and allantoin to improve skin's texture. It also has very good ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, B5, sea buckthorn and alpha-arbutin. So it not only brightens up your skin, it also fades away dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm going to prep my lips and I'm using Fiducia Botanical Seabuck and Rosehip Lip Butter. So this lip butter has cocoa butter, beeswax, rosehip oil, sea buckthorn, argan oil and vitamin E. So this not only moisturizes your lips really well, it also works on the pigmentation. I have lip pigmentation and rosehip oil works really well if you have pigmented lips. All you have to do is use it religiously for a long time and to see the results. So for base, I have two products right here. One is this Ruby's Organic Skin Tint Foundation. And then I have Soul Tree Beauty Benefit Cream Mattifying. It comes in this kind of a pump tube. So this is rich honey, it looks pretty yellow and it is priced at rupees 750 and you are getting 30 grams. And this is Ruby's Organics Foundation. This is in the shade medium deep and it is pretty dark for me. I have used this before as well. I'm going to link the video up somewhere. You can go and check out if you want to see individual coverage and how well it performs. It is a very lightweight, nice, sheer foundation. So Ruby's Organics is an organic makeup brand as the name suggests. And they have a lot of products like they have foundation, blushes, highlighter. I think I'm going to take a pump of the foundation like this and a pump of the BB cream. Can you see there is a huge difference between the two shades? I'm mixing and hoping that this custom color works for me. I'm using Soul Tree BB cream for the first time. I've never used it before. I've used Soul Tree skincare products, but I have not used their makeup products ever. I'm using a brush to blend this out.
I'm scared to lose myself or to go. And all my shadows, they just don't know where to go.
It looks like a really good match. I'm not sure how is it looking on camera. For my under eye area, I'm going to use Ilana Organic Soft Blur Cream Concealer Plus Foundation in the shade Tan. So I tried this on my hand. It looked like a perfect match for me. So I'm using a dense brush like this. This is PAC 234 and I'm just tapping the concealer under my eyes. In fact, I like the shade. I think this is the darkest shade they have. They have natural, medium and tan. And I have picked tan and as you can see, it's a pretty good match. It has, it's not exactly very yellow. It is almost beigey honey tone. Very pretty shade. And it can be used as foundation. And the formula is not too creamy or greasy. It almost looks like a semi-matte finish. I'm going to build it up a little bit. I could not find two products from Organico Natural brand. First, a powder, a compact powder, and then an eyebrow pencil. I could not find an eyebrow pencil. There was Born Organics is a good brand. It also has face powders, but all of them were out of stock, so I could not pick anything. So my concealer and foundation is done. So now we'll move on to the blush. So I have 4 products from 2 different brands here. These are from Born Organics. These are lip stains that you can also use as your cheek color, and these are Bloom Bath lip and cheek stains. So both of them are from brands that support natural organic makeup. So from Bloom Bath I have 2 shades, and from Born Organics this is the strawberry lip stain and this is their Wild Rose lip stain. These two look pretty different, and when I tried them on my lips, they do not stay on for a long time, and the pigmentation is not enough to cover my lip pigmentation. However, this one from Bloom Baths, this stain, it doesn't have a name, but I'll find out the name and mention. This one is pretty good even for your lips, and the formula here is not that creamy. Here the formula is very creamy and glossy. So I'm going to use this one on my cheeks today. So I've taken it on a stippling brush. I'm going to take off the excess bit, but because it looks pretty dark.
And all my shadows, they just don't know where to go.
So as you can see, this stain looks pretty nice on the cheeks. It looks very beautiful, very glossy. And I'll show you on a swatch of this one. This is Wild Rose and this is Strawberry. The strawberry is barely showing on my finger, and Wild Rose is pretty pink. So I'm going to apply this on my lips. So the only downside with this lip stain is that it stains the inside of your lips, and outside of your lips look like you have applied nothing. So it gives you bitten lip look, which you may or may not want. So yeah, but I think the formula looks very beautiful on my cheeks. So like I mentioned, I do not have a setting powder from any of the organic brands, so I'm going to grab a setting powder of my own and do the mattifying of my skin and come back. Now for eyes, I do not have any hardcore organic Ayurvedic eyeshadow palette, so I thought I'll use this kajal from Soultree. This is in the shade Rich Loam. I'm going to use this kajal as my eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it very close to my lash line and then smudge it out. So this looks like a very soft, smoked out eye makeup. I'm going to repeat on the other eye. I think the eyes look pretty okay, but I'm not sure how long lasting the kajal is. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Here is the swatch of the kajal. I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. I have an eyeliner from Born Organics.
And life is like a dream where I walk down alone.
This is not the most black eyeliner, and I really had a hard time getting it to this color even, because the pigmentation is really not there. This is the swatch. It's not very black. So I also have kajal from Ruby's Organics, which is what I'm going to apply on my lower lash line.
Dream where I walk down alone.
So this kajal eyeliner is much darker than the Born Organics one, so I'm going over the Born Organics eyeliner with this.
Road, and when I wake up, I just don't know.
See, this is so dark. It also has a sharpener and a smudger. So you can smudge your eyeliner if you want to, but I think it's looking very beautiful just as it is. So I'm going to repeat it on the other eye and come back. So I personally liked this one a lot. This is such a beautiful product. I really enjoyed using it. I have a mascara from Soultree. This is their Ayurvedic mascara. This mascara comes in two shades, black and brown. So I have black here. So the mascara is okay. It's not volumizing or lengthening. It's like an okay mascara. You are using something which is not loaded with toxic or harmful chemicals, so you can apply it on daily basis, but it's not going to add much length or volume to your lashes. Now from Bloom Baths, I have this beautiful highlighter. You can see the swatch here. It's pretty nice, but it's not showing that well on the cheeks. It's very light. It's very light. It's barely showing up. So like I mentioned, I could not find anything on the brows from any of the organic brands. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and come back. So now I'm back after doing my brows, and I only have my lips left. For lips, I have two options. One is from Just Herbs, and another is one again from Soultree. So from Just Herbs, I have their 3 newly launched Ayurvedic lipsticks. I have these in the shades Jovita, Dolly and Margie. This is number 7 Dolly. This is number 8 Margie. And this is number 11 Jovita. So I'm going to apply number 11 Jovita,
And I'll admit that I just
which is a very beautiful mauve. I really like this color. It's a very fresh. It looks very beautiful. These lipsticks are very good. The only downside is that if you apply them with pressure, they might break off the base. Otherwise, I really like the formula. Very comfortable, very moisturizing. There are I think 16 shades. I'm going to show you option number 2 for the lips. Then I have Java Brown from Sultry. It's a very pretty brown and the formula is very moisturizing. It feels really nice on the lips. And I have a lip gloss and it's again from Sultry. This is shade Rose Dew. This is like a rosy pink color with shimmer. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I do have my favorites from the products I have shown you today. I personally really like the concealer, the Ilana Organics concealer. It is pretty nice. The coverage is very beautiful. It looks very natural under my eyes. It has the right amount of yellow, so it covers the darkness and it brightens up the area. The shade tan is perfect for me, and I really like the lip stain as my cheek colors. I do not like it on my lips because it is very sheer. It doesn't really cover any lip pigmentation and it doesn't look good. I also loved Ruby's Organics this kajal. It's very beautiful, it's very black, and I really like how it looks on my eyes. And I also like the lipstick here, the lipstick lip gloss combo, and also the Just Herbs lipstick. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. I'm going to link and mention all the products that I've talked about in the video in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.